Hello! Have you ever wondered how it's possible that catastrophic events continue to occur across many different industries, even when other metrics such as injury rates and downtime suggest that all is well? Catastrophic events and human error, a few rotten apples, or organizational dysfunction? Many people are probably familiar with this incident pyramid. It is often used as the basis for directing safety-related efforts across different industries and different organizations. However, almost always the principal objective here is to reduce occupational injury numbers such as the total recordable incident rate. However, the cause of potential catastrophic events have very little to do with occupational injury prevention. Managing critical safeguards or barriers such as alarm systems, pressure relief valves, and other systems of work have less to do with whether someone got hurt and rather more to do with whether the work was actually performed to the correct standard. But really, do these things ever get the same level of attention as injury rates, even though in terms of risk, this is precisely where the organization should be focusing its efforts. As a result, big holes start to appear in the defenses designed to stop something like a small fire escalating to something much more serious. The underlying causes for these failures are less related to individual errors and violations, as is often the conclusion following a serious occupational injury, but more to do with the overall operating culture and stubborn human performance challenges. In addition, organizations simply do not implement effective programs to tackle these challenges, resulting in operating cultures of casual compliance, where operating procedures are simply not seen as an important element of the work. So what's needed is a way to tackle those stubborn performance challenges that are seriously degrading our critical safeguards or barriers. Pegasus has developed this 2x2 matrix precisely for this purpose. It recognizes that such challenges are split into four main categories, determined by the type and scope of non-compliance. In some cases, the underlying causes may be a single exception, but importantly in others, they may be much more widespread. Being able to distinguish between the type and scope of all non-compliant actions and behaviors is vital to developing effective corrective actions and gaining assurance of barrier integrity. Many organizations think they only have isolated challenges in the form of a few bad apples, but come to realize that their problems are much more systemic and where their solutions reside far from the worksite. So come take a look at this presentation, Catastrophic Events and Human Error by Pegasus Risk Management. We think it'll be worth your while.